What's going on, people? It's gbpbaby. Welcome to another video. It's currently 1:47 a.m. on Wednesday the 12th of July, in London anyway. Here's Tuesday's price action. We're looking at DXY, and tomorrow is CPI. So honestly, when I tell you now, I don't know, bruh. Like, we traded lower as expected, and I've got a mean threshold of a bullish order block marked out here, so I'm going to quickly show you that. So I marked out the open here, and now I've marked out the mean threshold, and I want to see if price stays above this mean threshold. So if we close above it, then I expect price want to expand higher and maybe trade back towards this daily fair value gap, which is now an inverted fair value gap. You also see we gap down here, so there's a complete void here, and price likes to go to voids. Void is when there's no trading, and there's no trading here. So I'm anticipating price to want to run up to that. But like I said, CPI tomorrow, no clue what to expect. I was anticipating these highs getting ran and potentially price even reaching up here, but with the way we've moved lower here, now I genuinely don't know. So I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see. But the dollar's looking very weak, very weak. So I'll go into euro. You can see we traded higher. We still have these highs to take out. If dollar wants to continue falling, then obviously I expect these highs to get ran. But again, like I said, with CPI in a matter of hours, I'm genuinely not sure. So yeah, this video's been pretty useless to you guys, and I understand. But it's CPI, I'm going to sit out, I'm just going to watch the day and see how it goes. But until then, guys, thanks for watching, although this hasn't been a useful video at all. Thanks for watching. This has been gbpbaby, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Stay out the markets, guys. It's not safe. Not right now anyway.